If you want to succeed in web development, you probably need to know JavaScript. Today I'm going to show you my picks for the top 5 free JavaScript courses out there online so you can level up, land a job, and get paid.
All right, developers, kicking it off on this list, best free JavaScript courses. It's called LearnJavascript. This is on a platform called Scrimba.com. It's 10 hours, it's free, and it's beginner friendly with projects. It's kind of hard to find out there in freebiesville when it comes to JavaScript. What I love about this platform, it blows my mind every time. Like, I've gone over this feature so many times. Check this out. I'm watching a video, right? The instructor, who happens to be the co-founder of Scrimba, is coding out. You're gonna hear him talk. Let's play this video. So I'm watching this video, right? And I just pause the video. Now watch this. Oh yeah. Yeah, I just typed that in. It's an interactive coder video player. They've had this going for years now, and nothing surpassed it as far as the novelty and the immersion of the learner who gets to go right in that editor as they're teaching it. You're going to build a game, a browser extension, and a mobile app. This is also part of the pro tier, which costs money. So if you see the pro as a freebie user, you don't get that project. But honestly, most of this stuff is absolutely free. This, for a beginner's project, is actually really cool. This is something with a few tweaks you could put in a portfolio or even try putting in the Chrome store with some tweaks, of course, and making it your own, etc. But wow, for being so beginner minded, I really do love the projects they give you in this course. Again, this is simply called Learn JavaScript. It's on Scrimba.com. Next on the list, we're going to my home turf, YouTube land, and we're checking out Traversy Media's JavaScript crash course for beginners. Not only is it for beginners, but if you're really just wanting to get into it, it's also a crash course. It's an hour and 40 minutes, and Brad goes over in his signature style how to get up and running with JavaScript. Most of you by now, if you've been subscribed to this channel or into web development for any amount of time and have used YouTube, you're coming across this guy's videos. His channel is amazing. He's shown me support so much over these years. Shout out Traversy Media. Developers, we are in such great times for education because under normal circumstances, this course should be like $500. The things he teaches you in this course are the fundamentals. Hour 40 minutes. So you're not going too deep on any one concept, but you are diving into those fundamentals. Variables, loops, data types, etc. Under normal circumstances, this publication date would concern me a little because it is web development related and stuff changes so fast. However, these are the fundamentals, and fundamentals don't change. There may be a few small syntactical differences from, 5 years JavaScript then, JavaScript now, but other than that, you don't have anything to worry about as far as this being relevant JavaScript information. No projects on this one, but you are invited to code along, or you can just sit back, relax, and watch Brad code. Number 3 on this list of best free JavaScript courses, we're going FreeCodeCamp. Oh yeah, this one is also called Learn JavaScript. This is 3.5 hours of video. You can also use FreeCodeCamp's curriculum to supplement the video, or you can use the video to supplement their curriculum. It's kind of cool how FreeCodeCamp organized that system, and what I especially love about this course, the way FreeCodeCamp did it, are the timestamps. Many of these lessons are 1 minute, 2 minutes long, and they are meticulously annotated. At the 4-minute, 23-second mark, we are commenting your code, and by the time we get to the 3-hour, 20-minute, and 25-second mark, we're already importing and exporting. I appreciate these timestamps so much. They really come in handy if you're just trying to reference a certain topic and you can't find a video otherwise on it. No projects. However, this is an excellent foundation. FreeCodeCamp is always coming correct with their curriculum. This course is 134 parts. Maybe not something you'll get through in a night, but maybe a weekend. I will point out this was published in 2018 and you may see a few hints of some old school JavaScript, still perfectly valid, just not bleeding edge. That said, I think just for the timestamps alone, this course is absolutely golden. All right, let's get back to it. Up next on this list, we have LearnJavascript.online. This one's also called LearnJavascript. It's almost like they're trying to tell us something. This app was created by one guy, and I'm really impressed. This is a completely immersive way to learn basic JavaScript. 4 separate windows here on this screen. We have our browser and instructions here. We have our JavaScript file right here. We have our testing area, and then we have our console in the lower right. It's all in your browser, and the UX UI is absolutely fabulous. So if I press run, let's see what happens. Oh, I ran a bunch of undefined. So I'm at the basic functions site, and then we have strings, numbers, variables, conditions, all your JavaScript basics, all the way down to generator functions. Again, this is LearnJavascript.online, and if you want a completely immersive JavaScript environment to learn this language, check this one out. Last and certainly not least on this list, can we consider this a modern classic yet or what? This is by the one and only Wes Boss. The course is called JavaScript30. This is a 30-day, month-long vanilla JavaScript coding challenge. This course is more about the hows. How do I build these projects? How do I connect A to B? Rather than the fundamental whys. Why is this connecting A to B? This is one of those courses where I'm like, whoa. How is he giving this away for free? This is good. But again, I want to emphasize you got to know those fundamentals. Other projects in this course include Unreal Webcam Fun. Ooh, Wes. Whack-a-mole game, Stripe follow-along drop-down, video speed controller UI. It's one a day for an entire month. And it's not like you have to go sequentially either. If you're not feeling a project, you can hop around. And as a bonus, developers, you know I couldn't leave you hanging. If your cat is bored with their current surroundings, may I mention JSForCats.com. Loved by cats around the world and created with cats in mind, JS for Cats is sure to please your feline friend, and maybe even you developers. Thanks for watching. Happy coding. Leave a comment, leave a like. It all adds up. Appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video.